Hello students, I think you understood that all whatever we have studied till now, what is meant by polynomial, then types of polynomials based on degree and types of polynomials based on terms. Now today we are going to study standard form, coefficient form and index form of the polynomials. It's very easy. You can see standard form, coefficient form and index form. Now you can see this is any polynomial which is written in the variable x. So that's why I have written px. Px is equal to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x raised to the power 4. Now we have to write this given polynomial in standard form, means we have to write its powers of the variables in descending order. Means we have to write the given polynomial in descending powers of its variable. Descending means bigger to smaller. So what is the highest power of the variable here? 4. So it means this term will come first, x raised to the power 4. After 4, what is the power here? 2. So we write minus 3x square. Then what is the power here? 1. Then we write plus x. And then the constant terms where there is no variable. So the given polynomial where the powers are here and there, we have arranged in descending powers of its variables. After arranging it, what we have got? X raised to the power 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5. And that type of form is called as standard form. What is it called as? Standard form. Now you can see here one power is missing. Which power is missing? 3. Which power is missing? 3. You can see here the highest power is 4. Then 2 is there. But what is missing here? The power 3 is missing. Now to write that power, what you can do, the same polynomial can be written as x raised to the power 4. After that 3 power will come, so you can take its coefficient as 0 and we take the same variable and you can write 0x cube. So x raised to the power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus x and plus 5. Now this type of polynomial is called as index form. What is it called as? Are the coefficients of the given polynomial separated by the commas and it is always written in open bracket. So such type of form is called as coefficient form. So to write in coefficient form, first you will always write its index form of the given polynomial. Now let us see one more example. Let me write 5y. Now my question is to write this 5y in the form of coefficient. Means 5y, this is any polynomial which you have to write in which form? Coefficient form. Now first you have to write its which form? Index form. What is the highest power here? 1. So we write that. And then after 1 you can see in this polynomial the constant term is here 0. Sorry, the constant term should be there. And here as there is no constant term, so what we put here? 0. So its coefficient form will be, take bracket and write 5 comma 0. So this is the coefficient form. Now let us see one more example. Write the polynomial, given polynomial in index form. Now the question you have to write in index form and the question will be given in, suppose I am writing 5, 0, minus 1 and 2. Okay. Now the question is given in coefficient form and you have to write in index form. So you can see here this one is the constant term. So here the highest power means what is the degree of this coefficient form? You can see 0, 1, 2 and 3. So to write its index form, as again see here the power of the variable will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. So you can take any variable. Suppose I am taking x, so it will be 5x cube plus 0x square minus 1x, or you can write x plus 2. See, how many coefficients are there? 4. So 4 minus 1, this is one idea, that if total coefficients are 4, so 4 minus 1 is equal to what? 3. Means here the degree will be what? 3. So the highest power you can take as 3. 5x cube plus 0x square minus x plus 2. So this is how to write the given polynomial as in standard form, coefficient form and index form. Okay. Thank you.